Balik ta magkasama diri sa tuang pagkulo kabildo karong buntaga ha.
Straight to the point.
Onya ato hatagag pagtagad do kay kanang nang atong balikan makasama karon taon. Ang ato ang isgutanan sad kay ang mga tao kay balo sila kasamang ni Soro katong mga nagtan-aw kay kita tanan halos man nakakita. Now ni adtong pagpresentar sa ilahang nga witness. Kagahapong atong Martes onya pagka Miyerkules mo to ang cross examination. So dito naglantugi sila nganong importante kaayo nga atong li og balik. Kaning ni ang ilahang video kay maon ni. Ang ilahang gipakabugat nga video. Takuno unsay tawag nanghagit gyud kanang naang ni hulga gyud. Nang hulga gyud si Vice President Sara Duterte. Motong gipangutana sa pag-cross examine gipangutana dito kasamang Nestor nga nag-imbestigar man ka kaani nga kaso, imo bang giimbestigar ang prior ni ining maong hitabo? Ningon sa nga I have no personal knowledge, Your Honor. So kung wa kay personal knowledge, unsa man yung pagkagwan, ga-imbestigar man ka siya. Ga-imbestigar man sa siya, unya wa di siya knowledge nga person. Pero muna hanga, ato ning tan-awon kay, muanha man ang si Matibag, basin og si Matibag mo'y mutubag ani tanan. Bisag si, kuan ba? Matibag ba? Video, no? Karon taon-taon sad makasama kay, aron nga makuha na to ba, unya, unsa man di ay itong prior anang hitabo? Naunsa man di ay si VP Sara, nganong nakasulti man sa ana? Unsa man ay nahitabo niya? Nganong ni resign sa Department of Education? Dito man na magsugod ang tanan. Sa pag-resign niya sa Department of Education, kay wa na siya makasabot. Ngano man nga, siya maoy DepEd Secretary, pero dili man siya makabuot. Dili man siya makahimo sa iyaha nga angay himuon. Pastang nindutan eh karon. So muna nga kanang nang atuang nga mga kay so naman nga kung tana bitaw sila. Unsa man ito nga kuan? Katunto ang na video unya kinaningo man ang prosecution ayaw kana rang kuan kanang 2 minutes lang. 2 minutes lang ang kanang naang kuan. Tanawa biko na kana ato sang i-play gamay kasama nga Gerald B. Tanawa Tanawa ang kuan sa kanang sa video.
For the prosecution finish.
Tanawa.
Thank you so much. And in the interest of time, Your Honor, please, we move that we allow Attorney Magalyon to transport himself to the technical booth to facilitate, Your Honor, please, the playing of the video when the time comes.
Counsel for respondent.
Your Honor, may we know how long the video is?
We will arrive to that, Your Honor, please.
No, I'm also curious. How long
All right,
is
now.
this for us to know? How long is this particular video? Namely, Exhibit P, Roman numeral number 4, 10A.
Your
How
Honor,
many
please.
minutes or seconds would this be?
Exactly, the video is 2 hours and 26 minutes
Sus.
and 10 seconds. But wait, Your Honor, please. We will aid the court in this regard. We will not be showing the entire 2-hour video, Your Honor, please. We will be presenting the relevant portions of the video, Your Honor, please, sanctioned by the rules and subject to the defense, doing whatever they want with the remainder of the video, Your Honor, please.
Your Honor,
So, what will you play exactly, counsel?
Your
How
Honor,
many minutes or seconds?
We counted it's 2 minutes and exactly 18 seconds, Your Honor, please. 2 minutes and 18 seconds of a 2-hour, 26-minute, and 10-second video, Your Honor, please.
Your
Does
Honor,
counsel for respondent say?
we object. Based on Your Honor, based on the rules, part of a video documentary must be presented. Your Honor.
Come again?
I'm sorry, counsel?
Yeah.
Hold on, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, counsel? I did not get what you
Hold
said.
on, Your Honor.
Tanawa
Your Honor, under Rule 132,
moto
part
ni
of the
object si
transaction
Attorney
writing
Narvasa.
record given in evidence, the remainder must be shown. When part of an act, declaration, conversation, writing, or record is given in evidence by one party, the whole of the same subject may be inquired into. And when a detached act, declaration, conversation, writing, or record is given in evidence, any other act, declaration, conversation, or record necessary to its understanding must be given into evidence. Your Honor, we request that the entire video be played.
Oh, entire
Can I
video,
respond
kinala
to
mo
that, Your
ma-play.
Honor, please? Can I respond to that?
Ah,
What
response.
does the counsel for the prosecution say before the chair?
Ah,
makes
kadiyot sa kasama Gerald. Ha, tanawa ha. Ah, kadiyot sa ang video nga gipangutana kay inguman nga sige ikuha na tong video kay naa sa flash drive. Ha? Okay, i-play ang video. Mo nag-ingon sa prosecution, i-play ang video. Moto nga ni object ang defense team, nangutan ang defense team. Unya pila man unsa man kataas? Ha? Unsa man gitaas na kanusa man na mahuman ang video? Ningon siya nga 2 hours and 26 minutes. Ha? And 10 seconds. So taas kay kasamang listor so tod man og imo nang i-play so pati tinuod dugaya mahuman kay duha ka oras ma. Nay object ang defense team nga kinahanglan nga ang gusto sa defense team mo to ni object si Attorney Narvasa nga gusto namo nga ma-play ang whole video. Ayaw lang ng putol. Ha? Mamito na kasamang ni Sir Usahay ba nga kanas mga marites mantay ka na mga silingan ana manag-away ang silingan hatod-hatod og istorya. Unya kay kanang istorya kuhaan, dungagan, di ba? Wantay ka na istorya silingan, kuhaan, dungagan, ang libak, ana, libak-libak, muna mag-away ng mga silingan. Tanawa ha? Oh, sa mo tong kwan, asa man tong ikwan lang tong tuang kwan, ha? Oh, tanawa si Attorney Narvasa, nag-object siya anang Martes mo to gikwan dila kana ni object ana pagka Miyerkules ni balos og object mas daghan pag objection si ang prosecution, ha? Mo to ingon sila nga uy tulo mang sipon iko mauba. Anya naa pa toy video nga nag-viral nga kanang nagkidat-kidhat kuno gikidhatan kuno sa prosecution si kaning ang witness ha? Daghan nga mga observation ha so man ang atong bantay mga tao nakabantay man so kanang ilaha nga ang gusto niya nga ang 2 hours video dili i-play mo gusto sa prosecution nga katurang video nga mao irrelevant sa ilaha nga complaint pero ingon man ang kwan ayaw kay wa ta kay balog unsay context ana ha ginalang i-play gyud na. Kana tong ano na mo na objection ni Attorney Narvasa be kana to iba to balikon na sa mga Gerald be.
But that is a misreading of the rules.
Misleading kuno.
Your Honor, please. Counsel cited Rule 132, Section 17. With all respect to the defense, that doesn't serve your interest. It serves the interest of the prosecution. May I explain? Reason. If we read Section 17 of Rule 132, it says, when part of transaction, writing or record given in evidence, the remainder is admissible. When parts of an act, declaration, conversation, writing or record, when part is given by one party, and in this case, that is the prosecution, the whole of the same may be inquired into by the other side. Meaning, it's simple. This rule, Section 17, Rule 132, allows exactly the prosecution to present a 2-minute portion of a 2-hour video subject to the defense, the presentation of the remainder of the same. Be that as it may, Your Honor, please, the rules are clear. Number 2, we invoke, Your Honor, please, the ruling that it is for the prosecution to decide what to present, when to present, how to present, and whether to present at all. Be that as it may, Your Honor, please, the defense will not be prejudiced exactly because when the time comes for the defense to present their evidence, they can present the remainder of that 2-hour video. What we are saying, Your Honor, please, for the interest of time, for the prosecution's presentation of evidence, we deem that's only a 2-minute portion of that 2-hour video is relevant at this point in time, Your Honor, please. We move for a ruling.
Okay, so yang gipasabot makasama ha.
Last response.
Your
Preto
Honor,
kuno sa response niya, bigano sa kaning
Respondent.
the prosecution cannot be allowed to present a truncated part of a whole 2 hour 26-minute video. that will not provide the context necessary for the understanding of what occurred during that night on November 23, and also not allow the proper identification of by this witness.
Kanaw kadiyot sa kasaman
Your
sila
Honor,
lahat tanawa ha. So diya sila naglali sa sila sa to sa man 2 ka oras. 2 ka oras og 2 minutos bagyon. Balik ta magkasama diri sa tong pagkulog kabildo karong buntaga.
Straight to the point.
Now, atong balikan no kaning niyang atoa nga gisgutan sab karon kay arong ato asad nga mapadungog ug unsa day nahitabo ni VP Sara sa wala pa niya gisulti ba? Sa wala pa niya gisulti ni unsa man din nahitabo? Ngano nakasulti man sa ani kasamang Nestor? Mo bitaw nang ana na pananglitag sinukmatay na sa mga silingan. Ato lang dila ta maadtog layo. Aral lang ta sa mga silingan. Dunay istorya nga madungog kasamang Nestor. Mingon nga dunay istorya nga madungog. Kasamang Ida brother kabalo man na nga nay madungog kag istorya ana. Nya kanang istorya libak na ba? Libak nga istorya dito silingan kay doy amiga kasamang Nestor. Di nagka istoryahanay. Bagay istoryahanay sa kanang naang nang libak o niya naabot dito sa ilahang gilibak. Ang nahitabo, nagsinukmatay. Pag sinukmatay na, di na mo sulti o diin gikan ang istorya. Di na matres kaysa nag-istorya o niya unsa man gyud ang kinatibuk-an nga istorya. Nganong nigawas maning ni ang chismis or taho unsa may sinugdanan ana ba? Muna nga gusto sa defense team nga i-play na ng video ninyo unsay naan nyo diha i-play na ninyo. Natural ingon sad ang kanang prosecution dili oy. Ang kanirang amo ang 2-minute nga video kay mauni siya ang lugar pod sa amo nga di adire sa amo ang kaso nga mo'y among gikuan kay mo ni relevant sa amo ang kaso. Ingon nga sige ingon si attorney Ligutan nga o gusto mo naama mo'y oras dagaan man sa mong panahon sa mas amo di ka mo'y play anang 2 ka oras nga video. So unsa man di ito? Abi ko na aton tatiwason sa Manziral Bay o sa dili pa nato paminahon si Vice President Sara Duterte. Ato ang kuno atong paminahon sa basic economy
Chair would like to ask, who did the edit? From the, how many hours? 2 hours?
No. Your Honor, please, if I may, can I
From the
reply to
total,
that?
who did the edit? Was the witness the one who did the edit? Or was it already the prosecution?
Your Honor, there's no editing done. There's no editing done.
Who got that sorter portion?
Who
No, Your
cut
Honor,
that
please.
video?
What we are presenting are portions of the entire 2-hour video. And this witness, I think, will be able to identify the specific timestamps of that's preserved, not edited portion. If I may repeat, Your Honor, please.
Dili
We are
edited
not
ko, no?
presenting any edited portions, but only snippets, portions of that 2-hour video. And this witness, I suppose, will be able to identify which specific portions that he would like the court to
So
view
when
at this
it is
point.
shown, the witness will testify and attest to the portion of the entire video that it was found insofar as the timestamp is concerned.
Yes, Your Honor, please.
But as evidence at the proper time, you will be offering this entire
Yes.
2-hour or so video
Yes, Your Honor, please.
and simply highlighting
Yes.
the 2 or so minutes. Would that be correct?
That's a very keen observation. Agree 100%, Your Honor, please.
Your Honor, the prosecution cannot be allowed to do this because the entire video will show the context on which the utterances were made.
That is a matter for the counsel for respondent to do and present during their time, because I believe the counsel for respondent also identified and marked, if I'm not mistaken, the same video for over 2.5 hours. It can do so during its time to present its evidence in chief.
Thank you so much.
The objection is overruled. Counsel is instructed to go to the booth accompanied by a counsel
Okay.
from the respondent in order to make sure that indeed the USB identified by the witness is the same USB that will be played in the tech booth of the Senate.
Okay. While they're doing
So
that,
na-overruled
may I
ang
propound the next
objection.
question?
Yes, counsel, you may proceed.
Mr. Witness, John Mark, listen. Now,
Mm.
you mentioned kanina that you authenticated the subject video by recording the same through sinasabi mong open broadcaster software OBS, and then you compared the contents of the recording and the subject video. That's one. And you also said that you investigated certain statements made by the Vice Presidents on November 23, 2024. Yung tanong, no? What particular statements of the Vice President did the NBI deem proper to investigate?
The statement of the Vice President where she uttered that she already talked to someone to kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker of the House if something's happened to her.
Okay, now, the next question now, Mr. Witness, is in what particular portion of the subject video, in what particular portion of the subject video did the respondent utter that she already contracted a person to kill?
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh, wait,
Objection,
Allow the
objection.
counsel to finish his
I'm not
question.
yet done. Relax.
So,
To kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker of the House.
Objection, Your Honor.
What?
What is the objection of counsel for respondent?
Your Honor, no basis for the question, Your Honor.
Wow.
Overruled.
why
witness
ba siyan?
answer.
May I refer, sir, to my notes to identify the specific timestamp, sir?
Okay.
The
So,
witness may do so if it is available to him. You may refer to your notes.
So gipangutana sa prosecution.
While he's
Ang
doing that,
witness-
Your Honor, may
doing that, Senator Judge Alan Cayetano is recognized. You may proceed, sir.
Your Honor, may I question what
Kadiyot, sir.
notes he is referring to?
Counsel for respondent, the
Apologies, Your Honor.
presiding officer recognized.
Kadiyot sa ha. Kadiyot sa kasaman Gerald. So gipangutana siya ang witness, gipangutana sa prosecution. Unsa nga mga pulong ni Vice President Sara Duterte nga giimbestigar sa NBI. Unsa man kana? Dahil second question, ningon sa asa man makita diha or unsa nga portion sa video maka-identify ba ka unsa nga asa dapita ba diha sa video unsa may gilitok gyud ato. Moton sa unang pangutana nitubag ang witness nga nilitok ang Vice Presidente nga naana siya gikontak nga ugaling pananglitan og mamatay siya na siya istorya daan nga balitag mamatay ko ikuan sad kana na ang ipapatay sad sila si Presidente Marcos, si Lisa Marcos ug si kanhi Speaker Martin Romualdez. So man gitubag sa witness. Onya kay ni kuan man ni batin man sad si Senador Alan ba ni ang ni batin mga sukindig paminaw. So muna nga ang kuan gyud ang wa na play ang duha ka oras nga video wa gyud ma-play kasamang Nestor. Ang na-play katurang gusto nga i-play sa prosecution nga 2-minute kapin. At paminawon sa no, ato tiwasog paminaw be.
Cayetano. You may proceed, sir.
Just some thoughts, presiding officer. This is not yet an appeal from your ruling and maybe a question to the counsel of the defense. Just to refresh our memory, Rule 132, Section 17, when part of a transaction, writing, or record given in evidence, the remainder admissible. When part of our act, declaration, conversation, writing, or record is given in evidence by one party, the whole of the same subject may be inquired into by the other. And when a detached act, declaration, conversation, writing, or record is given in evidence, any act, declaration, conversation, writing, or record necessary to its understanding may also be given in evidence. So I'm not appealing yet. I see the logic of the ruling of the presiding officer. Ito lang po ang tanong ko, is the defense going to ask later on for the showing of the whole video? Because if they are, why don't we just watch the whole of it? Because we're going to have to assess the context if it was really a threat, what did she say before or after. And I don't really want to go home today believing one thing based on a 2-minute clip and then come back next week to watch the 2-hour clip. I think most of us saw parts of the clip. Of course, I don't also feel like watching the 2-hour. I don't even watch 2.5-hour movies, much less this. But I'm just
Oh, maraming
putting this
tanaw
at
sa
the
lida
feet of
kasama
the
ni
presiding
Stor.
officer and
Di
my
man taas,
colleagues na kung gagawin din naman natin eventually yung 2.5 hours, mas gusto ba natin putulin muna ngayon at may iniisip tayo and then later on the 2 hours? Or can the two parties agree of the 2.5 hours, which one yung may context? So I'm not criticizing the prosecution's motion. I see what you mean. May I ask that one question to the defense, or if they're going to ask, presiding officer?
Precisely.
For the presiding officer, we cannot dictate nor predict what either counsel for the prosecution or respondent will do during the presentation of their evidence in chief. Even if they say yes to us now,
Yes.
actually they have every right to change their mind and
Yes, I agree, Your Honor,
not
but
do so
that's,
anymore.
but if they do answer now that they want it shown, may we consider, I mean, if I'm the only one who wants to see it as a whole, then I will submit to everyone else. But if everyone else is saying we will eventually watch the whole of it, we might as well get it over and see the context of the whole video. Unless the two parties can agree that they only want to look at 30 minutes or 1 hour. I don't know what context they're talking about. I am just trying to expedite,
Both
presiding
parties,
officer.
Senator Judge Alan Cayetano, marked the same video,
Yes. May I ask
which is over 2 hours.
May,
Now
may I
it is-
just ask the defense, do they plan to ask us to watch the whole?
Counsel for Defense will please reply to the question of
Yes, Your-
Senator Judge Cayetano.
First, Your Honor, precisely why we're asking to watch the video is because we don't know what the contents of that video is. We don't know if it's any different or the same with our video. And to answer the question of the Honorable Senator, yes, we will be asking the entire 2-hour, 26-minute video to be presented and watched later on during our cross.
So on that point, Mr. President and presiding officer, hindi naman nakalagay sa Section 17 when. And usually, at least for myself, if I have to watch 30 minutes and then may emphasize na 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 1 minute, pinapanood muna yung buo and then saka papanoorin yung maikli na ine-emphasize para walang prejudgment. Kasi pag nauna yung portions na maliliit and then saka mo lang sasabihin later on, eto pala context nito. Medyo umiiba. But again, no, I'm only one of the 24, so I leave it to my colleagues. If we're going to have to watch it anyway, may I ask the presiding officer what the pleasure is? But since the rule doesn't say, personally, I'd rather watch the whole thing and get it over with, then allow the prosecution to pick out the portions that quickly say that goes into the center of the controversy or what they want to prove.
Agreeing with Senator Judge Cayetano. For the presiding officer, it's just that I don't think the court should impose or dictate upon either party how they will present their evidence in chief. Although it would save the court some time if they, but we can also waste a lot of time arguing about this instead of
Yes.
watching the 2-minute video.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I'm not saying we dictate because there was an objection you ruled. You can change your ruling or we can appeal. But I'm saying I'm just one. So if everyone agrees na portion muna, I will submit to that. But if everyone else thinks na panoorin na
Full
yung buo,
video.
then baka we can, I can appeal your ruling without voting. So I'm just bringing up this issue for expediency, but I leave it up to what everyone else thinks about it.
You know, Your Honor, if I may, we also move for the reconsideration of the earlier ruling of the Honorable Court.
Council cannot move for the consideration of the ruling of the chair. Only a senator judge
Your Honor,
can do
may
so.
we
Counsel.
manifest that we intend to present the whole during
the whole ko, no?
cross-examination, Your Honor.
Presiding officer declares a brief recess.
Wala na taon si Kuan, the presiding judge sa Jesus Cordero. Di man ta mahuman ang lantugi. Ningon pa sa una-una ni senador presiding judge sa Jesus Cordero, di ta mahuman aning lantugian ninyo. Mamahuway sa taga-diyot. Naglibog na sa kwan ba? Muraog na, tablaw na makasama og am-am si Senator Judge sa Escudero. Pero si Senador Win Gatchalian, basta relax ro ang relax ra kay unsa may kanang naanggi pasabot nga naman nga ni batin man si Senador Judge Alan Peter Cayetano. Yang gusto ka sa mga Nestor nga ang kanang nga video nga kanang 2 hours video ni object man ang defense team nga ipa-play yun na nga naa nga 2 hours video. So ningon si Senador Alan Peter Cayetano nga kun pananglitan magkasinabot silang duha nga kanang video i-play na later ma-play na kay ningon man ang defense team nga sige ug kamo na po yung presentar og sa inyuhan na sang time inyo nang i-present. So ningon Senador Alan nga og nagkauyon silang i-presentar manggaling ni sa kaulahian ng maong full video, mas may karon na lang himuon para mausa na lang. Para walay prejudgment nga mahitabo. Kay kung ang unsay una nga makita, mao may una nga kana tinuod gidi ay mao di ay. So pag pasabot ni Senador Alan Peter Cayetano nga nagkasinabot man kamo. So karon na lang nato para way prejudgment para makita nato ang whole context. Kamo na kung giingon ganiya nga context matters. Mumatter ng context ay unod ana.